look at the pretty smile. Hi, honey. Smile, baby. There it is. You're so cute. What do you smell, Mama? You smell Purell, huh? Yeah, it's stinky. I agree. Smile. It's so dark in there, I can't see you until you smile. There you are. I love her pointy ears. One is up and one is down. She's just a little skinny thing. Oh, hi. You gonna come up here and say hi to me, Auntie? Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Mama.